Alright, Triggs, we're back with the little princess, so just going to work her around. I think I did mention about her going after the Great Dane, but now she's fine. I don't know whether it's just, because that dog was big or new, even though I do get new dogs in all the time, and she hasn't really had that reaction, but she's a lovable one.
You're a happy one, aren't you?
Oh, she's a little nervous from this one. Good. Don't in my soundbox collar, but you guys know the drill. I'm going to do my pager. Ellie. See how I'm holding my leash? I've got my arms in. This elbow has to always be bent. It drives me nuts when I see people go like that. Heel. You want to have the sensation that we're leading the dog, not holding the dog back. If your arm gets back here like this, heel. So that was the nip right there. She made a little bit faster turn.
Are you good? Sorry to interrupt you.
Oh, you're fine.
I just moved to New Smyrna.
Yeah?
You guys do service dogs? I have epilepsy and I was training with a dog with a toenail.
Oh, really?
Through Florida Service Dogs.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've ever heard of them. Anyways, he's from Orlando. But,
Yeah? Didn't work out.
Well, no, I just moved and I can't get the classes in Daytona. I work like 12-hour days and
Oh,
stuff.
you want to come here and eat? It's
Yeah.
pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Just showing her that Monte Cristo. I love that. I got that at Goose Bowery. No, we don't really know how to train those kind of
That's it, right
dogs,
on.
but I mean, wouldn't they bring it down here or do something to
Well,
help you?
I have to get up to Daytona and stuff. So it's not a big deal. I'll figure it out one way or another eventually.
What kind is it?
I was training with an Aussie Shepherd mixed with Black Lab. They try to they're all rescue dogs and stuff.
Oh, gotcha. Were they just giving you the dog?
Well, they just paid for the state because epilepsy is considered a disability.
Yeah, I
So
gotcha.
the Disability Act pays for, whatever. So, yeah.
Yeah, it seems like they would figure out a way to bring it down here or something to help you out.
Is that a girl or a boy?
Oh, it's a girl.
She's a pretty looking girl.
Oh, she's a cute one, this one.
She's got a nice pink eye.
All right, we're going to come in here and eat soon.
Yeah, right on.
When did they open?
We've been 11 days.
I mean, when?
Oh, we've been up.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. 11
Do they have like a Facebook?
Yeah, they do. We haven't been advertising yet because the beer and wine license.
Oh, there's no beer?
Yep, no beer.
Okay, canceled the lunch here. Sorry, no beer. But they're working on it?
Yeah, I mean, it should be within the next couple of days, hopefully by this weekend, so we can start.
All right, we're going on Facebook. If they don't have the beer and wine thing, I can't do. We can go out and not drink beer.
I know, we have tables every day that walk in. Yeah, I mean, it's horrible,
Okay, well, as soon as they have it, then that'll all change.
Right on.
All right, we'll see you soon. It's going to put a real damper on the lunch. No beer and wine? All right, and Triggs, you're going out to dinner when you come back to get her. We're all going out. Good girl. Good. See, I'm keeping my foot on there if I'm the least bit distracted. Good. Good. Put my nick on about 30. Good girl. Good. I'm gonna use my pager to get her up. Ellie. Wonder. When she gets nervous and she can't heel. That was my nick right there, though, on that down. You see where I've got my box on the back of the neck? Down. Oh, she's a precious soul, this one, though. She's a precious soul. And I know I always say don't tousle their head, but this dog, and I'm sure you guys know this about her, she's a little bit head shy. So we want her to understand I'm not tousling her ears at all. I'm just giving her a little brain massage to relax her brain. Ellie. No? Good. Good. I'm doing my deaf dog hand signals again. That's what happened last time when we trained the deaf dog. All right, I'm going to do my nick down. Good girl. We did start her with the place command too. We'll try to do a video of that tomorrow. Bye, guys.